Roller update, well into April now. One of the biggest jobs on this was, as I said before, was freeing up the cross shaft for the brakes, which is, well, I reckon is about at least 3/4 done. I've freed the main cross shaft up, sorted out the foot brake, which was absolutely seized. So freed it up, taken off. A hell of a job, but to take the other side off as well to get access to it. Greased up everything, all the clutch drives, the yoke, everything's been greased up on this machine now. Also I hired a pressure washer, so just finished pressure washing the machine, which was a hell of a job. So we got all the crap from underneath, all the remains of hardened grease and whatever, and she's looking good. The next job is to readjust the brakes again to back them off, because they're a bit tight on the wheel. I couldn't even get a 1/10 of feeler between the drum and the pads and the bands, so I backed them off a bit and used detergent and all sorts of stuff on it, and it cleaned up well, and I'm pretty pleased that the actual thickness of the bands are good and they haven't been contaminated, so it's a good sign. As I said before, the engine's been serviced, everything's been greased, rolls, pivots, all sorts have been done on it. Lights are done. The welding on the cabs to be done a bit later on this year. I'll probably spend another with a 2 on the brakes to get them as I want them. As you can see, if I zoom in on the linings look pretty good, so that was my main concern, is the linings, but they're good, so I'm happy with that. As you can see, she's flattened the concrete quite good. She's still a heavy old thing with the water taken out, still around 7.5 to 8 ton as it stands here. So I think it's time for the beer. I'm going to sit in the garden and chill out. I've done enough for the day, I think. As you can see there, they're not bullet holes. They're marked out to do this side. They're going to weld the tank up on this side. So that job will be done when it's back up on the side, out of the way. But I've got the pressure washer for a few days, so I'm lucky really. So anything that needs pressure washing is going to be done over the next day or so, on Saturday, Sunday. So, but she's taking shape. Just want to get it mechanically sound, and she does need good brakes, but yeah, she wouldn't do that early on. That was nice. That's far better than it was. It went winter then, it stayed there, but that's good. Job done. So till next time.